there, in this video I will show you how to create stack in Evernote.com. So I am here on Evernote.com and I log in with my account. Once you log in, you will be directed to this interface. So here in left side we have notebooks option. Click on it and then we have few notebooks option. So now we want to create a stack. So for this you need to click on three dots here in the right side and click on add to stack to new stack. So from here you need to create a stack, like you need to rename this. So I will rename it with stack 1 and then click on create. So example is added here. Now I will add this one in stack 1 too. You can add it in stack 1 or you can create a new stack. So I will go with stack 1. Again I will go with this add to stack and stack 1. So now if I click on this drop down arrow, so the stack will hidden, and if I click on this arrow again, so you will find all the stacks added in this. In this way you can create stack in Evernote. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.